Am I live? Yes, I am, apparently. Good. Dada! Dada's first. Alright, I finally managed to get online. Come here! Welcome everybody to some Dragon Ball Fighter Z. Last time on Dragon Ball. Alright, the thing is this, alright? Here's my first fail. I was typing my name, Vloggy, but it wasn't uppercase. Hey, Emily! Welcome, nice to see you. Help me, please! I was typing in my name as a username. I was typing Vloggy, but the V was in lowercase. I'm like, no. It needs to be uppercase. So I went backspace. I deleted the V. And then I pressed 0 to back up. And then it saved it like that. So I'm loggy now. I'm loggy now. And I couldn't change it. How stupid is that? It doesn't give me the option to change it. It's so customized, perhaps. Edit. No. I cannot change it. I'm sure I cannot change it. Screen settings, game settings, perhaps? No. You cannot change it. It just saved it like that. Haha, too late. You made a boo-boo. You're not gonna fix that. I hate that so much. Hey, Dylan Bellucci. Welcome. How is everybody doing this evening? So this is my first time playing this ever, so it's all first impressions, alright? It's all first impressions. Lots of Goku's around. So what do you do? Is this the game? Arena. What's this? Arena match. How cool is this? Ah! Oh, angry! World match. What's going on here? What do you do? I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. Your rankings? No, I want to fight. I want to fight Kakarot. Was it? Of course. There we go. There's the game, everybody. That is the beta. I'm gonna try again. Acquiring region information. I'm gonna go UK1 now. I don't know. What's this? FUK1? What's this? Alright. Are these the lobbies? Are they all full? Is this it? Is that it? Talk in Maltese, please. No, I'm not gonna talk in Maltese. Nah, I'm not gonna talk in Maltese. Nobody would get anything. Cannot enter that because it's full. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Maybe I won't play anything at all today either. I'm connecting, I think. I'm connecting. Alright, we're in again. Last time on Dragon Ball Z, I got kicked out of a server. I don't know what to do really. Do I just... What's this? Create a channel? No, I don't want... I want to fight. How do I do this? What's going on? Hey, Toby! Hello, can you help? I don't know how to play this. I don't know what to do. Do I go in here? No. Hi, my name is Frieza. What about you? Ladies and gentlemen, come on here. The my friend should get all the latest details, but I don't care about... No. What's this? Oh my goodness. This is the game, everybody. This is the game. Oh my goodness. Is this it, really? Toby, have you had any issues? I'm sure you did. Let's go with North America. I don't know. I don't know. I'm Canada now. Oh, there's 13 here. Should be okay. No, I thought... Do you know replay reception? No, I want to play. I want to fight. These are the rankings, so... What do? You just stay here? What's this? Enter rank match. Alright, enter rank match. Opponent strength, same as me. Anything goes, anything goes. Alright, that's it. Enter rank match. Ah, and you get to choose the characters. Gohan! I want to go... So these are preset characters. Like, I don't know. I'm going to go with this one. Alright, what? Now what? Do I just wait? No. So I just wait here. I'll just wait here for a match or something. Let's make this the last one. Want to fight? How do I get a good one? I don't know. Most of this is gonna be waiting probably, is it? Match made! Options! What do you do? What was that? Do you want to fight them? Yes! Yes! My first fight ever in Dragon Ball FighterZ. Unless it gets disconnected or something. We'll see. Waiting for opponent. Hey, Philly, welcome. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Yes, I've got Gohan.
This should be a great fight.
What do I do? Alright, here we go. Come on, guys, root for vlogging. Or loggy. Why did they skip the cutscenes? Alright, now I'm 18 apparently. Okay. My first. Oh wow. Whoa. Come get it, sucker! It's good, huh? It's I will crush you, you other knee! Who's down? Is it me? Sounds like me. Yes, I win! I am a Super Saiyan! I'm an elite warrior! Uh-oh. Yes, it's Gohan's time! No, apparently. What's going on? I need to get used to the controls though. It's my first time playing this. I didn't even practice. You mere human! I am an elite warrior! Crap, I'm getting kicked. Okay, this time I got trashed. Okay, no power up now. No time to power up. Holy crap, I'm getting wrecked. I'm getting angry now! I'm gonna crush you! Alright, I'm down as well. Okay, this is not good. What am I doing? I'm gonna need to practice. I'm getting wrecked. Nice, I got wrecked. I'm annoyed that the voices are in Japanese. I got 0 BP, I think. Or did I get something? Loggy, yeah. Rematch? Yes, please. If he wants to rematch. Oh, he went through to lobby. Asshole. Oh man. Let's see. I got trash though. Womp womp. Let me just... Maybe there's a practice area or something. I'm sure there was a practice area. I don't know where it is, but... Practice. There we go. Alright, practice please. Begin battle tutorial. Let's do that. Train. Oh my goodness, look at all this! I guess training begins over here. Are you ready, Gohan? Yes, let's go. What? I'm gonna have to. I hear them speaking in English here, but then the voices are in Japanese. What the heck? I don't want Goku to go, ah! Let's give it a go. Closing the gap. Alright. Okay. I got a match. How do I do this? Matchmaking paused. What the heck? I found a match. Where is it? Oh, come on, dude. Alright.
Time to begin the match.
Alright. That's how it's done. Some jumping exercises. I cannot do it. There we go. Nice. Look at it exploding in the background. What do these buttons do? Hey, Silver Drift, welcome. I crushed. No, I got crushed. Match made. What the heck? Why do I keep getting match made every time the game ends? And matchmaking paused. What the heck? And now it's searching for a match again. I cannot practice while waiting for a match, apparently. This is a one-way. Match made, let's go. I'm gonna have a sip of water in the meantime.
Here comes a mighty warrior. The outcome of this fight is anybody's guess.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Silver Drift. Yes, it is. It is a bit of a fade, I'm afraid. Why are the voices in Japanese?
Ready? Let's go.
Wow, I'm getting wrecked. Oh, my goodness! Nice! Wow! Whoa! Am I down? Whoa! I got trashed. Whoa! Last time he showed up on Saturday when I downloaded this, but it was a fail. It was a failed stream, so yeah, he saw the failed stream. I would love to fight him. I would love to fight him. I mean, he would probably wreck me. I'm not really good at this, but I'm trying my best. Oh come on, dude! Oh my goodness, I'm getting wrecked. Die, you scum! I will thrash you! Wow, I'm destroying! Sound like this, I think. Am I? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, that is so cheap! I'm sorry, Mr. Shell Shock! But you made Vegeta angry! Alright, there's another Vegeta now. Oh my goodness! He's blocking my attacks now. Okay. Okay, that is a good attack! Oh my god, how do you do that? Here I go again! Oh my goodness, how did I do that? My goodness, I cannot win a match. You don't have what it takes to beat me, Kakarot. Alright, shut up, Vegeta. Rematch. Oh, looks like we're rematching again. He skipped the cutscene. I am the ultimate perfection. Ooh, nice. My goodness, I can't get started. Oh my goodness. I can't seem to block. I don't know why. And here we go, special attack. How do you do these? I need to play the tutorial or something. Oh my goodness. I love that they're getting bruised when they fight. I love that. What the heck? Where are his blasts? Are his blasts empty? Alright, let's go again. And there's like Dragon Balls at the bottom. There's like meters. I don't know what everything is. I suck at this. Leave Kakarot-san out of this! You're mine! I didn't even get started yet! I haven't landed that in single attack! Big bang attack! Come on, man! Maybe I need to play the tutorial, I don't know. And I'm down. I died. He's not even bruised or anything, look at him. So much muscles. I cannot do any. I can't get started with this guy. I don't know. I'm not playing this for the online really. I mean, I'm not buying the game for the online. I mean, the online is nice, but I want to play the story mode. I'm gonna practice a bit more because there's no point in fighting people online if I'm not gonna the art of battle.
Brace yourself for the coming battle.
Distance yourself from your opponent. I know this. Dash closer to your opponent. Fast. Alright, that works. The art of battle. Perform a Z combo by consecutively pressing rapid press 0. I know these. Alright. Perform a light, medium, heavy Z combo. So it's like this. Hold on. Try again. Oh, nice! Did it work though? Let's try again. Alright, wow. Perform a light, medium, heavy Z combo, so it's... Okay, give me a sec. I wanna see how you close enough. No, I need to get 4 hits. Let's try again. He died. I didn't do it. I didn't do it though. Let's see Yamcha. You don't stand a chance, Yamcha. I'm a Super Saiyan. Did I just do that? It's basically the same, but with a Ki Blast. Fast, there we go. Finish by defeating the enemy. Okay. I don't know. I'm not too convinced on the online. I like to play offline and stuff. So this is finished. These I didn't finish. Ah, okay. So many though.
The outcome of this fight is anybody's guess.
So I Alright, sorry.
ほらもううかうかしてらんねえな。次はこれをやってみろ。
Wow.
今のおめえならくれってやつだ。
Break your opponent's guard in the air with a mid-air guard rush while jumping. Nice. Finish by defeating the enemy. Alright, you got it! It seems very easy. Look at the car made by Capsule, I just realized. I always get a match made after I finish this. And now matchmaking post. Nice. Special moves. That's what I want to learn.
It's time to face your opponent.
Release a Kamehameha. Oh, okay. It's not easy to make a Kamehameha. Maybe I ran out of energy, that's why. Hold on, charge your key. Nice, alright, that's how it's done. Alright, so now I can do another Kamehameha. Hold on. I cannot do it, I just cannot do a Kamehameha. Hold on, if I go to the other side, will the instruction turn? No. That wasn't it. I cannot do this. Not even the Kamehameha. Alright, wow, I don't know how it's done. Okay. Now I got it, but... Is that it? No, it wasn't it. That was it. That was it. So hard. Alright. Is that it? That wasn't it. No, it's not working. No. The special moves are really... Always get a match made when I finish the game. And now it's gonna go away. Just gonna play around a little bit. Maybe I can get another match. Opponent cancelled, of course. I like this one. I like Gohan. There I go, with the name Loggy. I'm the loggiest of all the loggies. I'm gonna stay in the shade for a little bit. Match made, yes, please. This guy has a terrible connection apparently, according to that little antenna on the right hand side. So this might not do anything. Yep. Hey Flare Wolf, welcome. Nice to see you. Playing some Dragon Ball Fighterz, but I'm failing a lot. People are kicking my butt. Match made, let's go, come on. Even this guy appears to have a very bad internet connection, I think. Look at that little icon. Oh, here comes the mighty warrior. Oh, Lord Beerus. Uh-oh. Number of wins 5, number of wins 0. No! Uh-oh. That's humiliating. Let's see. Oh. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That's it. Oh, come on. What the heck is going on? Oh, come on, dude. I hate online matches. I was hoping the other part of the story, maybe just a little bit of a demo. Oh, I got kicked out. It was me that. Okay. Let's try again, Europe. Is there like Italy? There's Italy. Let's go Italy. All lobbies are full. My goodness. Cannol. Oh, bro. Welcome to the stream, Cannol. Alright, so I think that I cannot see the guy I need to talk to. Where are they going? Oh, there we go. Enter ranked match. Opponent same as me, stronger than me. Okay. Connection quality? No, I need only the best. Match completion rate? Anything. I'm gonna have a few more battles and then I need to eat something, so I'll probably watch a spectator match while I eat. Look at the green boo. Oh, that's my username over there. You see, it's an Italian account, so maybe we get better at this. I don't know. Dario. Look at the usernames. They're all Italian. Oh, there's Toby. Toby! Toby! Look at Toby! I know it's not Bork, but still. Toby! Come on, Toby! Toby. There is Toby. There is Toby. Look, it's you, Toby! It's not really you, is it? It can't be. It can't be. It can't be! No, it's not you! No way, you're kidding. You're kidding me. If that is you, let's play this game. Hey, Freddy! It's literally okay. If that is you, come meet me here in this corner. I'm taking a piss. Making pee pee. If it's you, come over here. If it's you, come over here. If that is really you. If that is really you, you come. Look, it's the Kame house. I just realized how cute. Oh, it is you! It is you, Toby! Oh my goodness! I want to fight you! I want to fight you! How do I fight you, Toby? Oh man, let me see if I can request the fight. You're gonna trash me, of course. Well, it'll be fun to fight somebody that I know. Let's see. Hold on. Ranked matches. How do I do this? Well, guess you're match entry. Yes. All right. Let me see. Enter casual match. Same as me. No. Can I just find you? Edit select team. Oh, hello. I like Gohan, but it doesn't go Super Saiyan, so maybe I should go. Go with this for a little bit. But no, apparently I cannot just... Enter match. Alright, so I'm just gonna say... I'm gonna be picky on the connection then. Anything goes. Same as me, anything goes. Alright, enter rank match. Maybe I'll match against Toby. That would be so fun. I'm sorry, I didn't join right away. I was making a drawing of the Doctor and the TARDIS from Doctor Who. We wanna see! We wanna see, Freddy. Share it on Discord. It would be awesome to see it. In the meantime, I'm just gonna hang here. Over here. It would be awesome if we could fight together. How are you doing in the game anyway, Toby? Are you winning any matches? I'm not winning anything. But I'm not buying the game for competitive online really. I want to play the story and that's it. You're 0, just like me. I think that's why we're a perfect match. Come on, maybe the system will match us together. Hey, Cheer! Notice a huge entry in the horizon. How are you, Cheer? Nice to see you, buddy. Match made. Here we go. It's Gold Souls, whatever. Ghost Souls. Maybe I'll win one before I fight Toby. Look at the connections, they're all ass.
Here comes a mighty warrior.
I am Lord Beerus. I have no idea how he speaks. Fledgling fighter. Number of wins 3, total matches 9. Total matches 3, number of wins 0. Womp womp. You gonna be resting? Now then, I guess I'll destroy you now. I'm gonna do the voices. Shall I? Fine, I'll take care of this. I love that he fights with his hands behind his back. I am Lord Beerus, God of Destruction. Oh my goodness, getting trashed. I am Lord Beerus, God of Destruction! Ooh, I'm getting better at this now. Haha. Maybe it's because I'm playing as the God of Destruction. Nobody can beat me, I think. Or maybe I'm getting cocky now, or something. Okay, one is down. Ooh, look at that! I destroyed the building. You really think you can fight me, Earthling? Okay, I'm done. Alright. Now I will crush you! What does the first scout say about his power level? It's weird that Nappa's in this game. I don't know, he's like one of the weaker Saiyans. What the heck? I will crush you! What? 9,000? Counter assist. Don't assist! Alright, give me some assistance. I need assistance too. No, 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 no! I like that move. Wow, that's a good move. I'm getting trashed. Alright, come on, come on, come on, we got this. Criminal's almost down as well. Trying to do a Kamehameha, but it doesn't work. Alright, good, good. Kamehameha! I feel like I'm doing better now. Come on, there's just some Krillin left. I'm gonna win my first match, I think. No, 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 no! No, so close! That is the closest I got! Yes, cheer. I was naming myself Vloggy, but then I noticed the V was lowercase, so I erased it. So close to winning this one. So I removed the V to make it uppercase, and then I just saved it like that, Loggy. So womp womp, and I wouldn't let you fix it. Rematch. I want the rematch. I love the animation. Now then. I guess I'll destroy you now. I don't know what his voice is like. What's my? I'm in an Italian one. I'm not so sure. It doesn't say. I'm in an Italian one though.
Are you ready?
That's one. Yeah, I agree, Cheer. Yes, I feel like it is very close to me. I agree. So far, so good. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna change something. I'm gonna change my strategy. Yeah. Oh, I'm down. Okay. I love that they get worn out with the fighting. I will crush you! Let's defend more. Why is he not down yet? Oh, well, Krillin has a lot of health. Destructo Disc! How do you switch characters? It said down. Oh, I'm down. Okay. Yeah, Krillin's pretty strong. Alright, time to Goku it up. No, no, not the Kamehameha! No! Wow, did you see that? That is awesome. Alright, alright, alright. There's still some chance to do this. No, 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 no. Who died me? Rip. So close, look at that! So close! Well done, Krillin. I just haven't been able to win a match. But good one. It's a good one. Still a good one. I'm proud of myself. If I do say so. If I do say so myself. Toby's still here. Toby! Oh, yeah. Oh, he's doing... Want to fight? Yes! How do I fight you? How do I do the emojis? How do I do... Ah, that's how you... Alright, hey, come over here. Okay. Me get angry ball! I love these. What? I cannot believe this! Sorry, guys! Nah, this is my favorite. Me angry! He did the see you later. How did you do that? Oh, alright, he does the emoji. Okay. You know what? Should I just cancel all the matches until I find you, Toby, perhaps? Menu. Can I just... I don't know. Options? There's no way. Match entry. No. Flair, that beers. This. Oh, that's you! Oh, Flair! That is so awesome! Come on, I want to fight someone. Come on, there's 3 people that know each other here. Come on, what are the odds? We should be able to rank against each other at one point. Hey, Flair! There you are. Let me just do a Z stamp for you. No! I am the ultimate perfection! I didn't notice either. Flair! Me get angry ball! Look at this guy. Is there an Android 16? I don't know. I've been waiting all my life. Please don't tell me, baby. Me angry ball! So what do we do? I mean, can we like... I wish we could fight each other or something. What's this? These are announcements, yeah? I don't need information. I don't need information. Look at me. Oh, match made. Weirdo Panda Man. I'm gonna fight the Weirdo Panda Man, apparently. Stamps paused, match make. Are you sure, Toby? Are you sure?
Here comes a
Are you
mighty
sure?
warrior. This should be a
Oh, number of 1-0. I can crush this guy because I have number of 1-0 as well. But I've played 5 matches. Unlike him. Come on, we can do this. I can beat him. Come on. This is this guy's first match. Come on. I can do this. Come on, Toby. Do you think I can do this? Can you imagine if his first match and he will defeat me? He's boo sleeping. Me angry ball! He doesn't talk like that now. And this is me arriving. Ah, Lord Beerus, we are on planet Earth. You understand that a Majin can hope to defeat a god of destruction, right? Let's do this.
ready? Let's go.
I am the god of destruction! Okay, I don't stand a chance apparently. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. What the heck? No! This is the gift. This guy's first match and he's trashing me. Oh my goodness, man. He trashed my Lord Beerus. Oh my goodness. What the heck, man? Oh my goodness, man! The problem is, I switched to second player for some reason, and it confused me a little bit as well. Alright, one is down. But that... Remember your training, Vloggy. Okay, Sensei. And now I have a Frieza. Is that Frieza? Frieza! Oh wow, it's the attack that killed Krillin. Alright, I just might do this, but there's Boo I have to deal with. This was a nice comeback, I think, for me. Uh-oh. I can do this, I can do this! Oh, no, 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 no! Ultimate finish KO! My first win! I don't know what the Dragon Balls are at the bottom. I have no idea, Cheer. I have no idea. I've won my first match. Save replay? Yes. Dude, that was exhausting though. Replay. Can I save the replay for you? Replay saved. Alright, interesting. Next. He went to lobby. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough, foo. Fair enough, foo. I won my first match. I'm very happy. Hold on. Let's see if I can find Toby now. Toby! Toby's still there. I'm not gonna use the Z stamps now, alright? Because he said it might pause the... Match made. Day. Well. I managed to win one. I'm so proud of myself. I'm such a Saiyan. Nah, this guy's not gonna connect. The visuals are spectacular in this game. It's really good. I think... Alright, no problem. Go to the match. Don't worry. This guy's not connecting. It's a weird connection, apparently. Alright, so, the visuals are fantastic, huh? I love it. Is Fairwolf still here? There. Fairwolf. He was Lord Beerus, right? I think he's not here anymore. Toby is Vegeta. Match made. Byron 484. Let's go. Man, everybody's with an ass connection. Your connection is ass. Yes, we do. We do cheer. We're both losers, basically. Here comes a mighty warrior. Here we go. Alright, this guy. Oh.
It's time to face your
Alright. Let's do this. Alright. Hey, Jack! Kakaroto! I'm getting my ass kicked in this game though, huh? How are you, Jack? There we go. I think got disconnected again. Alright. Okay, never mind. Never mind. There's Toby in the game. Look, Toby! Toby, are you getting your ass kicked? Main chaos. There was Silver Drift, not Silver Drift, I'm looking at Silver Drift username and I said Silver Drift. There was Flare Wolf here in the game as well with us. I don't see him anymore. Toby's running around. Stop running around, Toby. Stop running around, Toby. I'm doing laps around you. You are Vegeta. Never in my life I would see Nappa and Goku team up. Well, in the game you can. Come on, I want to fight with Toby. It's weird that you cannot do a match against somebody that you know. It's stupid. I hope it's not like that in the full game. But whatever, we'll see. Look, he's flying. Look, he's not walking, he's flying. Look, let's do it. Hold on. He's gonna fly. He's not walking. Kind of walking. Match made. Predator 98. If this guy was born in 1998, that means he's still a kid. I can trash him. I might need to change settings. To change the settings. Maybe. But no, I mean... Alright, this guy has Super Saiyan Goku, Kid Buu, and Gohan. And number of matches, number of wins 0, and total matches 0. I can trash this guy! Come on! Come on! I will do some more Dragon Ball voices for you if you want. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. One is down. Come on, we can do this. I am the god of destruction. Oh, he doesn't talk like that. I am the god of destruction. You really think you can defeat me? Good time. He doesn't power up, Torturous. Wait. I tried to power up. Wait. He's not powering up. Okay, one is down. I'll destroy Goku as well. Come on. Come on! You may have over 9,000 power! Oh! Okay. Your power may be over 9,000, but I can still crash you! Alright, my character is down as well. After Goku. Goku's faster. Super Saiyan 3! Haha! Super Saiyan 3! I don't know how I did that. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, he's trashing me! Wow, I got wrecked. I was doing so well and I got wrecked by this guy. This is the guy's first match and he destroyed me. Well done, GG. You are incredible, Dad. Well done, well done. Wow, this was the guy's first, and I got wrecked. Come on, rematch, buddy. Rematch. Yes! I won't make the same mistakes again. Come on, how is it that this guy is trashing me? It's his first match. I'm getting wrecked! Oh my goodness, man! This is even worse than before. This time I'm getting wrecked. Whoa, this guy. My goodness! Now I'm angry! But I'm wrecked. There's no way I'm gonna defeat him. I crashed. This time he wrecked me even more harder than the first time. I like Goku's blue uniform. Seeing Vloggy making fun of this person and then getting beaten reminds me of that one match between Krillin versus Pentar. Is that a recent episode? I don't know. Is Toby still here? Toby's still here. I'm hoping to get a match against Toby. Come on, Toby. Match made. I'm gonna refuse the match. Let me see if I can refuse a couple of matches. I'm gonna try refusing a few matches until I get Toby. I hope. Let's refuse like 4 matches. Enough the house over there. It's so cute. That's from Dragon Ball Z, the beginning of the Blue Saga. Pentar? Who was Pentar? I have no idea. I've been refusing. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the same. I'm gonna be doing the same as well. Match made. DB Fighter, no. I want Toby. But the thing is, since I won 1 match, now maybe I'm already better than you and they won't match us. You're right. I honestly think, and this is just my opinion, but I honestly think that the reason why Bandai Namco, whatever, do these beta tests, it's not for the consumer, it's not for us, they do it for them, to stress test the server, matchmaking, bugs and glitches. They do it more for them than they do it for us, really. We're just helping them right now. It was the big guy Krillin fought in the martial arts tournament. Oh man. I thought Krillin didn't even fight before the martial arts tournament before Boo. I thought he did sit it out. I think he decided to sit that one out. In fact, his wife fought, not him. Krillin didn't fight in the martial arts tournament before Boo. Am I right? He did fight. I thought it was his wife. His wife fought against Trunks and Goten, dressed up as what was his name? Masked. Mighty Mask. Mighty Mask. They both did. Oh man, I forgot. I'm gonna look it up. Match made. Nope. Because Toby defeats me in Pokemon, so maybe I can defeat him in Dragon Ball at least. Yes, and yes, by the way, Gohan, adult Gohan is my favorite Dragon Ball character, personally, I think. It used to be an error occurred. I'm out of the lobby. Sorry, Toby, I'm out of the lobby. I got kicked out. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try again, see if I can come back. Italy won, yes? Okay, now I don't know which one it was. Oh, no problem, Freddy. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You have a good one. You have a lovely evening. Alright, I think I lost... I think I lost Toby now. Or is it the same one? No, I don't see Toby anymore. Hey, Inferno! Welcome! Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm finally playing this. Yeah, I don't see Toby anymore. And I don't even know which lobby I'm in right now. There we go. Italy 06, Toby Funo. Toby's following me around. Let's go wait for Toby to show up in the lobby. Oh, come on, I got kicked out again. Man, the servers are so weak. Servers are very weak. I'm sorry, Toby. Do you know of a good one? Do you know of a good server that's stable? I don't know. I'm very sorry. Try Italy, UK, France. Let me try Italy 3. Italy 3 this time if you want to follow me here. And the server 6 seems to be empty in Italy 3. So if you want to come on this one, low numbers, yeah. I'm gonna bring it up again on screen so you can come in. Ah, I wish we could fight. I found one with like 15 people in, so... Loggy. Yes, and for those of you wondering why it's called Loggy, not Vloggy, is because the V was in lowercase. I tried to fix it and I hit save. And you cannot change it anymore. Like, how weak is that? Let's wait for Toby. There's Toby! There's Toby! Toby! What's this? Go to reception. As if. I'm not going to reception. I hope we get match made now. You can't delete the character here. No, I tried. I tried. Maybe there is a way, but I couldn't find it. I tried. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to. Enter rank match. So, same as me, anything goes. Match completion rate, anything goes. Alright? Enter rank match. I'm going now. Maybe we can fight together now. San Gokers! Thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The people look very weird, though. People complained when this came out at the beginning of the weekend. They were saying like it's so weak, the servers are so fragile. So I wanted to leave it till the end before I give this a go. But servers are still kind of iffy. So yeah, we can fight here if you want, Toby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You sang the song "Zombie" in your last stream. I did. Zombie, zombie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who wants to fight? I want to fight, but apparently we're not being match made. You can fight with the emotes. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Match made. No, I'm refusing all the matches for now. Alright, I'm refusing the matches. I want Toby. We'll see how this goes. I'm getting hungry. Come on. It's a very, very good looking game, huh? It's a very good looking game. And and honestly, I'm buying the game not for the online matching, really. I just want to buy it for the story. My only hope is that the voice actors are in English, not Kakaroto! You know? I want Vegeta to sound like this.
Not like this, ah!
You know what I mean? You're meeting a homemade sandwich. A homemade sandwich. I am eating a homemade fried egg. I think we can change that. What do you mean? Change what? What do? Do what? Like what? I'm gonna fight this guy. This guy is being very threatening. Oh, it does pause the matchmaking when you when you bring up the thing. It's true.
Meeple angry!
I think you can change it in options. What? Change what in options though? Options. Lobby settings. Display name. Online ID. Ah. Lobby camera on. I don't know what this is. Respond to world matches. Check first. Start. Okay. Screen settings. The voices. Can you? Hold on. Sound and language. Change voices. Oh, I did! Yes! Yes! Thank you so much, Toby! I did! Thank you! Yes! Oh my goodness! I'm so happy. I hope it's the English voices now. Lobby settings. Fighter name. Online ID. Whatever. Alright. First match that comes up, I'm gonna fight it now, Toby, alright? First match that comes on, I'm gonna fight it because I want to hear the English voices. I hope it's against you. Yeah, but the online matchmaking so far is ass. I'm sorry, but it is. Again, I don't care much for it, but I mean, the only people I'm interested in battling when I get the game is my friends, not random people online, because everybody gets really strong online and I get wrecked. You know? So we'll see. Now the room is only what? There's only how many people in this room? 13 people. Match made. Match made. It's not Toby. But I'm gonna fight this one because I want to hear the voices. But the connection of this guy is really low. I don't think we're gonna fight. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This guy won nothing. I won 1 at least, and I had 8 matches. He had 4. So I'm kind of better than him. So we'll see. We'll see. This game comes out on the 26th of January, so there's so. Really? I didn't even get started. Let's go.
Show me more.
Impressive. Yes, they are in English.
It's time for you to die. Impressive. I'm not done yet. Not good enough. Interesting. Is that all? Interesting. Your best shot. What's that? You here shall be destroyed.
Wow, this guy seems to know what he's doing though. What the heck? Oh crap, this guy knows what he's doing. Today I got an ad for the Digimon game that you were talking about, Toby.
I'll make this quick.
And I thought of you when I saw it, like, oh, it's the Digimon game he was talking about. That's one. Nice. No, no, not Super Saiyan 3! No, nope, rip. What the heck just happened? I was looking at my phone. Oh man, I'm getting wrecked. Oh goodness. This is the guy's first win. Win-win. See you later! There's the voice. There's how it should sound. Guys, I'm gonna go make a sandwich because I'm getting hungry.
Working with Cell just doesn't feel right for some reason. I wonder why.
I wonder why. Wink. Working with Solus. I like that. Alright, present love. I'm not gonna fight you, dude. You're awesome. Alright, I'm gonna make myself. Hey, Bill. Hello. Vlog's losing the game. Where have I seen that before? Shut up. In my streams. In my streams. Hang on. Can I view matches or not to play this mode? You need to cancel your mode. Okay. I'm not gonna play a mode though, right? Okay. So you save replays. Oh, it's just my own replays then. It's just my own replays then. Aw, man. Alright, I'm gonna go AFC, away from the controller for a little bit. I'm gonna put the controller down. I'm gonna make a phone call real quick. I'll be right back. Like 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Let's give it a few more rounds. Try again in Europe, but I got kicked out as you can see, so... Italy 3 again? Let's see. There's a lobby with 10 people if you want to join this one. Ah, it's the same one actually, the one I was in. The thing is, it's not fun going on to on lobbies and you get your ass kicked by so many good fighters. It's not funny. It's not fun, I mean. It's not funny and it's not fun, but... That's a casual match. Pretty much the same, I suppose, eh? Stream sniping for the win. There's a lot of people streaming this, isn't there? Still English, alright. I want to make sure that it's still English. I want to get in here. I want to get in here. everybody practicing. Oh, I just realized it's King Kai's planet. Look at the car going around, how cute! It's King Kai's planet. Oh, I found a match. No, I didn't. I thought I did. I heard a sound, and I thought... There's people that are level Super Saiyan 3. Oh my goodness, ranking 1. Oh man. Trying to find my name. Wow. Nice. You ripped again? We can't seem to catch a break, we keep getting trashed. The lobby I'm in right now, it's Italy F3 number 2. Match made. I'm gonna go on this one real quick. Well, I mean, the connection seems to be ass. Why is everyone's connection ass? I don't know, I don't get it.
Here comes a mighty warrior.
This guy won 2. Wow. He won 2 matches out of 2 matches? Seriously? Whoa, he's about to get 3 out of 3 then. No, something's not right. Man. Ooh, color with the red cape.
I'm fighting Lord Beerus?
Now then. Well then, whenever you're ready.
I love the voices in English.
Get ready. Fight it out.
Really? This guy's good.
You're crouching.
Holy crap, I'm not getting started.
Get ready.
Interesting. I'll come to you. You gave it your best shot.
Uh-oh, special beam coming!
Special beam.
Oh my goodness, man. Piccolo defeating Lord Beerus. Ah.
I see you suck. Special beam.
Darn you! Nah, I'm not getting it. My goodness, I'm not even getting started, man! My turn! It's not even giving me a chance to start attacking. My goodness! Man! What's happening? Do you think it's lag? Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why I'm losing, because of lag. Are you on my the same server, Toby? I like to tease him, like I want to fight him again. I don't want to fight you. You're strong. I fight you if you're weak. Are you in the same lobby as I am? We'll see. I don't know. Of course, that's why I'm playing online. That's how you get wrecked. You got in? Match made. If you're in, I'm gonna pass on that one. If you're in, so. Oh, there you are. Yeah. All right. I see Toby. Toby, I'm following you around. Toby, I'm following you. Ah, he's gonna register. Okay. Yes, Bill. Yeah, exactly. And I was hoping to get some of the story mode in the demo or something like that, but no, it's just online. You see, that's what makes me believe that the company doesn't really care about giving us a tease of the experience or anything like that. All they're doing is just for them. Matchmade. DB Fighter. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna try hoping to get to Toby. So yeah, I think they're doing it for them. They're doing it for them, for matchmaking, testing their servers. There is screen delay. Yes, there is. I noticed. Toby. Yeah. There's Toby. So yeah, they're doing it for them. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting wrecked in fact. And it surprises me because it's a brand new game, it just came out. I mean, it's not out yet, it's just the beta for the weekend. And it's amazing how good people got at it already, it's amazing. We all started playing this together at the same time, it's amazing, there's so many matchmade. No. Let's see if I can get Toby. The quest to fight Toby. I don't want to stand still, because if I'm idle too long, maybe the server will kick me out. I don't want the game to think that I'm AFK. So even you, Toby, walk around a little bit, because if it thinks you're AFK, it will kick you out of the server probably. It will time you out. Match made. Nope. You can see the true fans, like everybody, like renames their character after a Dragon Ball character, more or less. The Great Fufu Man. I like this one. The Great Fufu Man. Yeah, probably Bill. Yeah, in fact, yes. This game is published by Arc or something, they're saying. I'm sure Arc made other games, so if it's the same mechanics, yes, they'll trash us. Matchmade. Oh no, come on, give me Toby. Arc Systems, yes. So, are the games you mentioned, Darkstalkers, Guilty Gear, Blaze Blue, are those by the same guys that made, I mean, did Arc make the same game as well? Those games, I don't know. But yeah, if it's the same mechanic, that would make more sense. Yeah, you're screwed. There we go, Bill. Mystery solved. Like, come on, how is this guy's first match ever and he trashed me? And it's like my 9th match, you know? Match made. It's gone. I'm gonna play for another like 20 minutes and then I'm gonna call it. I need to eat something and then I need to go through, I need to sort out my laundry. I need to separate some laundry for tomorrow. I've got a long day tomorrow. I've got work and then laundry. And even if I have a long week actually now that I think about it. Match made. No. I keep getting the same... Toby, I keep getting the same matchmakers. Like... It's the same user over and over again I keep getting. It's the second time I got the DB fighter. I don't know if this is gonna work. Womp womp. I'm sorry, buddy. Let me just cancel a few more matches and then I'll fight someone else. I want Letobe. Oh yeah, for the two of you that are watching probably, I think this might be, I might stream again tomorrow something else, but then I'm gonna take a break for the rest of the week from streaming because I'm going away for a little bit, and I'm planning on doing a vlog while I'm there, so it will be the first vlog of 2018 and the first vlog in 6 months, I think. More than 6 months. Last time I vlogged was when I went to Camino. It was fun. Yeah, I'm planning on making a vlog this week. But there won't be any streams, of course, because I'll be away. Inferno says, am I the only one unimpressed so far? I'm not impressed with the online matchmaking. I'm not impressed with the online matchmaking because, as you can see, it struggles. You know, and servers are weak. I'm only getting this for the story mode. Apparently there's a good story mode. I was hoping to get a taste of the story mode, maybe just like the first 3 fights or first 2 fights, you know, get a nice cutscene or something, you know, get a nice glimpse of the game, but nope, it's just, all they cared about is matchmade, you know. All they care about is testing their servers right now and their matchmaking and stuff, so this is the next best thing, I suppose. I stopped for 2 reasons. First, my hands started hurting horribly. Second, just trying to learn that I was going to start. In fact, as I was fighting 2 of these people online, I felt like a strain on my hands as I was mashing buttons and trying to perform combos and stuff. So I don't know. I don't really care about online. I mean, I want to fight the people that I know. I would love to fight against Toby and Wesker, perhaps. I'm almost sure Wesker will get this game, so maybe fighting Wesker, you know, but not on the professional level, you know. Just a few fun matches and that's it. Although I care about the story mode, that's what I'm going to be streaming when I get the game. I am impressed with the visuals. The game looks amazing. Not right now when you see the chibi, big-headed. This is not impressive. I'm talking about the actual fights, the mechanics, you know, the anime, the voice acting. It looks really good. It's like you're watching a Dragon Ball Super episode, you know. So can we play Silent Hill? I'm gonna be playing Silent Hill Inferno. I don't know where to start, but yes, but I will be streaming. I will be streaming Silent Hill. I have everything. All I need now to start my Horror Nights matchmade. No, all I need now to start doing because I'm planning on doing Horror Night streams, vloggy Horror Night or something. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but I don't know. Now I have the face cam, now I have the green screen, I have a very good webcam. All I need now is just a USB hub, because I only have 3 slots in my computer, so I need a USB hub so I can connect everything. My microphone, my headphones, my camera, my controller, you know, I need everything. Fright Night Vloggy. I don't know. I want to come up with a nice match made. Let's see. Come on, give me Toby game. Give me Toby. I want to end it with a fight against Toby. So yeah, I bought a bunch of games that I've never played before, horror games. I have so many, you know, and they're gonna be like the first experience. And I also have match made. Nope. USB hub. Make sure it has additional power port. Really? I need an additional power port? What do you mean? Yeah, power port. Vloggy's pants of horror. I don't know, we'll think of something. So as I was saying, I bought a bunch of games that I've never played before, horror games. And I also set up the alerts, scary alerts. So whenever somebody subscribes or donates, I will do the jumpy. I'm looking forward for that. And I bought a bunch of games that I still haven't played. It's gonna be fun. I've got one for the Wii. It's gonna be awesome. You hold the Wii remote as if it's a torch and you walk around. It's gonna be amazing. I have so many games. All that's left is the USB port. I have 4-port USB and everything works because not everything works because PC doesn't have sufficient power to power everything. Oh, Some have a transformer. I did not know that, Inferno. I did not know that, and it's interesting. It's a good thing you brought it up because I have a laptop. So laptop might not have enough power to. Okay. An extra wire. That worries me. I don't want any more wires. I'm so crowded with wires right now. I mean, I have good cable management on my desk, more or less. But still, an extra wire is gonna give me more. Anyway, whatever. Bill, how many points do you have? 2,738. How many pants do you have, Inferno? Do exclamation mark pants just for fun. See how many pants you got. I want to fight Toby so badly. Match made. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fight this guy. Oh, what happened? Oh, I cancelled that apparently. Never mind. Yeah, do exclamation mark pants. And we see how many pants you've earned over the years that you've been watching my streams. Over the years. Over the year. Exclamation pants. Like Bill did earlier. There we go. Let's see how many do you have. You got 99 pants points. How many does Toby have? You have 991. Match made. Alright, I'm gonna fight this guy. I'm gonna fight this guy. Here's what's gonna happen. Alright? It's very unlikely, but if I beat this guy, well, let's play a little game. If I beat this guy, everybody's gonna get 200 pants points. Right now. 200. If I beat this guy, everybody's gonna get 200 pants points. Here we go. You said you weren't impressed, Inferno. Check out the visuals now of the game, what it looks like. It looks amazing. Look, it's like watching the anime, look. Obviously, I'm gonna try my best to defeat the guy. I hope so. We're not getting anything. I know, right, Bill? I'm gonna try my best. Look, it's like watching the anime.
Now then, you understand that a margin cannot hope to defeat a god of destruction, right?
I'm not doing anything against this guy. I don't know, is there a lag or something? I'm pressing buttons.
Not good enough.
I haven't.
Show me more.
My goodness, I didn't get started. What do you think of the visuals now, Inferno? What do you think now? I mean, are you familiar with the anime? I don't think you did. I think you said you watched a couple of random episodes last time. What do you think?
Try this!
You damn it! You weakling! You! Now that's more like it! You weakling!
Oh crap! Yeah. I've never seen. Oh my goodness! It's like he's very slow. Nappa's really slow.
Try this!
Alright, Goku, you're next.
Try this! Not bad. Get ready! Try this!
Don't mess with me!
Not bad. Get into it!
Are you brave enough to take this one?
Final Flash!
Be gone!
I really love the fact. Oh, then he disconnected. Connection has been lost. God dang it! Oh my goodness. So, what did he say? Good, but not Street Fighter 4 good. You think Street Fighter 4 is better? No, this is not Capcom. Obviously, I don't know if you guys know. I mean, maybe Inferno doesn't. I don't know. But this is Bandai Namco. Ah, for graphics. No, but the graphics needs to be anime. You know, they need to be true to the show. You know, I wasn't a fan of Dragon Ball when they did them all like 3D and no, it didn't look anything like the anime. That's the thing. No. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if you saw me playing it last summer when I got Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. It was so good, man. Even the story, it was fantastic. Match made. No. It was so good. I was really impressed. I really enjoyed the game and it has an excellent story. It was really good. Marvel vs. Capcom was amazing. You know, seeing Iron Man with the Infinity Stones, and it was really good. And it has a great story as well. Hold on, guys. Nope. Yeah, I'm sucking a lot at this as well, huh? And it was amazing, like seeing Marvel characters dealing with the Nemesis, for instance. Is Toby still here? I'm cancelling my matches. I hope Toby's still here. Otherwise, I'm cancelling it for nothing. I don't see Toby anymore. Ah, there's Toby. Yes, Toby's still here. Persona 4 is Persona 4 Arena is also Arena match. Okay, Persona 4 Arena is also by Arc. I didn't know that. You guys know Parasite Eve 2? Very similar to RE games. Yes, yes. I've seen it, but I've never played it. I saw True play it once. It looks really good, but it has an RPG element. I'm not a fan of RPG elements. Says the guy playing Pokemon. But this is the only game, actually, that I match made. So I'm gonna play a game since Toby's busy.
Here comes a mighty warrior! Time to begin the match!
Whoops, sorry, I put the controller down. That's not a good start. I cannot even block, I'm just... No, that's not good. Have you won one at least, Toby? I haven't won. I only won one. I only won once. I like Majin Buu. You know that a Majin doesn't stand a chance against defeating Nappa! You have no chance against me! Vegeta! What does the scout say about his power level? I like the voices more than I like the game. You haven't won once. It's so hard, man. We're getting our asses kicked in this game. Look at that! Look at that! Nothing! I don't stand that chance! Alright, now it's Goku. Now it's Goku. Come on, Goku. Oh my goodness! Oh, I managed to stop it! Oh crap, I missed the Kamehameha. Here's a Lord Beerus as well. My goodness. I love Lord Beerus' style. He's had like his hands behind his back.
Time to destroy the Earth.
Time to destroy the Earth, as promised.
You say you want to fight at my side, and yet you didn't release your full power. Why is that?
I like that. A genocide attack? I didn't realize. I don't know. I got wrecked. Alright, one more fight. Hopefully it will be with Toby. I want to fight Toby, but I don't think it's gonna happen now. I mean, we've been in the same servers many times. I don't think it's gonna happen. One last fight. Hopefully it's with Toby. One last fight. Please, Toby. Please, Toby. We're so patient. He was following me around on the server, so hopefully we can get a match. But I don't know. We'll see. Match made. I'm gonna refuse a few more. Obama Vin Vladen. I'm gonna fight this guy because of that name. Oh, it went away. Never mind. Oh man, I should be laughing, I think. I don't think I should be laughing. Match made. Yugi. I'm gonna fight this guy. I'm very sorry, Toby. This to be my last game because I need to go to get something to eat now and get some rest. I'm very sorry, Toby. Maybe next time. Next time on Dragon Ball Super. Ah, okay. See, if they cared about the user experience and not about the servers, they would have given us matches that we can fight against each other as a friend. No, but no, what they wanted to test is matchmaking, the stress on the servers. Alright, this one didn't work. That's what they wanted to test, matchmaking and stress tests. They really didn't care about giving us an experience here. Come on, dance with me, Pino. I amuse myself easily. Ah, this is how I power up. And what's the point of these stickers? Like, want to fight? What's the point of these stickers? There's no point. Because it's not like I can accept his invitation or anything like that. It's just pure nonsense, really. You like that? Toby, do you see me spinning in your game like this? Do you see me spinning like this in your game or not? I don't think so, eh? Match made. Gohan. I'm gonna fight Gohan. And I don't know. I mean, are we still in the bad internet connection days? Alright, hold on.
Get ready for battle.
This should be entertaining.
It's all or nothing.
You are just mashing buttons, you stupid creature. I am the Lord of Destruction! And I'm not standing a chance. Apparently, down. My goodness! You weakling! Don't call him weakling and you're getting your ass kicked. Don't do that, Nappa. Don't.
You weakling! You weakling! Annoying crap of you! I'll make this quick. Very well.
I think that cell is blue. It's like one of his kids. Remember, his kids were blue. And let's face it, I didn't even bother with the tutorial, I just went in, you know, so that could make a difference as well. Kamehameha! Whoa! I feel like I'm fighting better than him, but for some reason I'm not draining a lot of his energy. I hate that he doesn't turn Super Saiyan, Gohan. Or does he? I don't know. I don't know. Just... That was awesome. Oh, I destroyed the planet! Sorry I destroyed the planet, everyone. Wasn't my intention. Nice, I got wrecked.
Nothing will stand in my way. You know, Goku, I'd far rather have you as an
Alright, I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna go. It was fun. It was a fun experience, though. I mean, even though matches are broken and the servers are weak, you know, but it's a glimpse at what the game is gonna look like. It's gonna look like... I'm satisfied with what the games look like, so I don't know. I will be getting this game, but not for the online matches for sure. So servers or no servers, weak servers or no servers, it's not gonna make a difference for me, honestly. So I look forward to be streaming this. I look forward to be streaming this on the 26th of January. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody that stopped by and said hello and hung out in chat. I lost again too. Don't worry, Toby. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. We're in this together, you and me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Have a great time.